Hello everyone. In our lesson wastewater story, today we are going to study about sewerage and treatment of polluted air. You can see in the textbook the point 18.3, water freshens up an eventful journey. We'll start from that. In a home or a public building, generally one set of pipes bring clean water and another set of pipes take away wastewater. Imagine that we could see through the ground. We would see a network of big and small pipes called sewers to form sewerage. It is like a transparent system that carries sewage from point of being produced to the point of disposal, that is treatment plant. Manholes are located at every 50 meter to 60 meter in the sewerage, at the junction of two or more sewers, and at point where there is a change in direction. Now we'll see one activity of treatment of polluted water. Perform the following activity. It will help you understand the process that take place at the wastewater treatment plant. Divide yourself into groups to perform the activity. Record observations at each stage. Now we'll start with the activity. Activity 18.4, page number 222. Fill a glass jar 3/4 full of water. Add some dirty organic matter such as grass peas or orange peels, a small amount of detergent, and a few drops of an ink or any color. Cap the jar, shake it well, and let the mixture stand in the sun for 2 days. After 2 days, shake the mixture and pour a small sample into test tube. Again you are going to shake. Now label this test tube before treatment sample 1 and smell. How does it smell? Use an aerator from an aquarium to bubble air through the sample in the glass jar. Allow several hours for aeration. Leave the aerator attached overnight. If you do not have an aerator, use a mechanical stirrer. Now next day, when the aeration is complete, pour another sample into test tube and label it as after aeration sample 2. Now fold a piece of filter paper to form a cone. Wet the paper with tap water and then insert the cone in a funnel. Mount the funnel on a support as you have learnt in class 6. Place layers of sand, fine gravel, and finally medium gravel in the funnel. Okay. Pour the remaining aerated liquid through the filter into the beakers. Do not allow the liquid to spill over the filter. If the filtered liquid is not clear, filter it a few times till you get clear water. Pour a sample of filter water into third test tube and label it as filtered sample 3. Now pour another sample of filtered water into the fourth test tube. Add a small piece of chlorine tablet. Mix well until the water is clear and it label as chlorinated sample 4. So you get 4 tubes there like this. You can see the 4 tubes. One is before treatment, another is after treatment, filtered sample and chlorinated sample. Now observe carefully the samples in all the test tubes. Do not taste, just smell them. Now what changes did you observe in the appearance of the liquid after aeration? Did aeration change the odor? Yes. What was removed by the sand filter? The dust particles. Did chlorine remove the color? Yes, you can observe the fourth test tube. Did chlorine remove the color? Did chlorine have an odor? Was it worse than that of the wastewater? So these are the observations, and this was the activity 18.4. So for today we'll stop here. Read from the textbook the full activity whatever is given there, and the same treatment is used on in the big filters, like see here, like this big filters are there, and here this type of filtration is done. Here no filter papers are used. It is filtered through the another way. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.